Hello friends, as we have done alphabets video, rhymes video, so today we are doing numbers video. So today in this video, in the part, we will divide in two parts, part 1, part 2. Part 1 will have number 1s to 5, part 2 will have number 5 to 10. Tips for parents is always use this blocks for maths. This type of copy for the maths one. Don't use blank copy. Don't use English copy that they will write in this 3-line way. One, no. They will write in the blank copy. No. Please use this. And I would say from the starting day only, make them know what is T and O. That is tens and ones. Whenever we write a single digit number, we always write in the ones place. Firstly, what we do, we say that students that write 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. अरे हाँ चलो ठीक है मैं लिख लेता हूँ. I will do it. No, because when we say them, where do they need to write in the tens place or in the ones? They will always say अरे 1 तो यहाँ लिखना है, 2 यहाँ लिखना है, 3 यहाँ लिखना है. No. Always whenever you are writing a single digit number, explain them that they need to write in the ones place. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 1 0 10. When they are writing two-digit number, we are using tens and ones. 1 10 and 0 ones. So whenever we are writing a single digit number, say them we are writing in the ones column. We are writing in the ones box. Don't say them that we don't say them the concept, or don't say them we are writing in tens place or we are writing in ones place. Say them, write them. Always write T and O. Always make them do 1 2 3 4 in the ones place only. Don't say them to write in the tens place, so that it will be a confusion for them. So I would prefer, please use this type of blocks copy, and please clear them the concept of tens and ones. After this numbers, I will tell you about the tens and ones also, but now I will show you how to write the numbers. So firstly, they should recognize the number. Before writing, recognition is very important, and counting also. They can count at home with the things which they have at home itself, like the fruits, like the vegetables, like their games, whatever they have. So for writing the number, I would write T and O. I will always write in the ones place. And how do we write 1? That is the standing line. We don't write slanting line, standing line, sleeping line. No. We don't write. No. Only straight standing line. That's it. And we need to say them that it should not go beyond the box. It should be there, and many schools I have seen them that they have said that you should touch the box. So from starting, if you teach them that you should touch the box, they will write in that way only. Like if the box is like this, they can write 1. That's it. Nothing like this. Please, only 1. That's a standing line. For counting, you can say draw a ball, draw a sun, 1 nose. It will be easy. Counting also side by side, writing the numbers also. And I have seen that you all do dots, dot, dot, 4 dot. No 4 dots, please. 3 dots are enough for them. Three dots always. Now, number 2. How do we write? Curve, sleeping line. Number 2. ऐसे भी नहीं. Please नीचे का sleeping line ज़्यादा बढ़ा दे. No. Curve, sleeping line. 2 fingers. Show me your 2 eyes, 2 ears, While writing, you can say them. Count how many ears do you have? 1, 2. How many eyes do you have? 1, 2. So this is the way you do it. Now the next number. Three, half curve, again a half curve. Number 3, half curve, again a half curve. 3. For 3, you can draw 3 circles. You can draw 3 bats, whatever you want. Decide that you can draw so that it will be familiar for them. And the activity which you can do regarding the numbers also, I would say you can draw. If your child has learned 3 numbers only, 1, 2 and 3, what you can do, you can just write number 1. So and you need to say them color only 1 star. So they can color any of them if you want, only 1, but only 1. They can color any one, this one also, this one also, this one also, this one, but any one. So that we can see, have they recognized the number, they know how to count it. By this activity, it will be very helpful for them. The topic is for this exercise is, look at the number, recognize it and color it. Number 4, how do we write? Standing line, sleeping line, standing line. This is the way we write it again. Standing line, sleeping line, standing line. I have seen many parents teach them standing line, sleeping line. Not this much, but this. No, this is the wrong way. We cannot teach them in this way. We need to teach them in this way only. Standing line, sleeping line, standing line. Then in any 4 objects you can draw, you can keep the objects in front of them also. They can count it, it will be very easy for them. Then the number 5, sleeping line, standing line, curve. Sleeping line, standing line, curve. That's it. Number 5 fingers in one hand. Then I will write number 1 to 5 over here. 1, 1, 2, you can ask them to leave the box and write, that will be easy for them. 3, 4, 5. Thank you.